Hi, my name is Rebecca, and this is my presentation on tea leaves and their health benefits. The purpose of this review is to provide a list of health benefits that drinking tea gives to the consumer through the presence of antioxidants and catechins. A short review on the different types of tea, as well as extraction and processing techniques, will also be covered. The presentation will end with some future research and recommendations. Tea comes from a plant species called Camellia sinensis, pictured on the left. It's an evergreen shrub that likes temperatures of 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, high humidity, and annual rainfall. Tea is made from the leaves of the plant after they've been dried, and the seeds can be used to make cooking oil. To tell the age of the leaves, you look at the color. Lighter colored leaves are younger and darker leaves are older. From this plant's leaves, you can make green, black, and oolong tea. The main bioactive compound in tea is antioxidants. Polyphenols is the word used for antioxidants that come specifically from plant-based sources. In tea leaves, the main polyphenol group to look at is catechins, of which there are 6 main ones. These polyphenols can make up to 30% of dry leaf matter, and green tea has the highest concentration of them. Other components of tea include caffeine, vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc. The chart on the right shows some other useful components found in tea and their concentrations found in black and green tea. The 3 main types of tea are green, black, and oolong. All 3 originate from Camellia sinensis, with the difference being how they are processed. Green tea leaves are non-fermented and instead steamed. The steam kills the fermenting enzymes in the leaves. This process must be very exact, otherwise the leaves will begin to ferment. Black tea is fully fermented, meaning the leaves are left until they turn a dark red or black color. Oolong tea is the middle ground between green and black tea. It's only partially fermented. In terms of antioxidants, from most to least, it would go green, oolong, black. Since black tea is the most fermented and has the least amount of antioxidants, it is safe to say that fermentation has an effect on the composition of the leaves. When making tea to drink, the water temperature and time may also have an effect on the bioactive components. In general, a green tea needs a lower temperature and time due to having a lesser oxidation or fermentation period, while black tea will be the opposite. In tea, varying the time and temperature of steeping the tea will affect the different catechins. EGC and EC are time dependent, while the remaining 4 catechins are time and temperature dependent. Boiling the water at least once before making tea is also useful, as it will help reduce the amount of dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen would otherwise bind with the antioxidants in tea, making it less beneficial to the consumer. Here is a list of 8 notable species found in tea leaves that have beneficial health effects. They are catechins, caffeine, theanine, flavonoids, vitamin C and E, zinc, and saponins. These 2 lists provide some of the positives of drinking tea. Drinking tea is suspected to help with anti-aging, anti-Alzheimer's, and anti-Parkinson's prevention, although it is yet to be tested. What has been tested are the effects of tea on anti-stroke, cardiovascular disease, anti-cancer, anti-diabetes, and anti-caries prevention, as well as obesity and weight loss and skin care. Some current research is looking at the effects of green tea on skin care and skin diseases. Green tea possesses anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic potential, which could be used to combat against various skin disorders by either drinking the tea or applying the green tea extracts topically. Some cosmetic companies are also starting to use green tea extracts in their products. One study recommends drinking tea to everyone as a means of helping to prevent cardiovascular disease, as most cardiovascular diseases are caused by overoxidation in the body, which the antioxidants in tea can help to reduce. The use of green tea extracts to maintain high-quality flavors while stabilizing food products is also being researched. The bioactive ingredients in tea, mainly the antioxidants, provide many health benefits to the consumer, including prevention of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and dental caries. Green tea also has the potential to reduce age-related diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, although conclusive studies have yet to be completed. Out of green, black, and oolong tea, green tea has the highest amount of antioxidants, which may be due to the processing techniques used to make it. Finally, since green tea is noted to have many potential health benefits, it is now included as a beverage that has functional properties. Thank you for listening to my presentation on tea.